Hello viewer. Welcome to HKR Trainings YouTube channel. Today, let's talk about what is AWS. AWS refers to Amazon Web Services. With a number of web services, Amazon enables the organizations to acquire additional training and resources that will serve their customers better. As per the recent reports, 60% of job openings related to cloud computing require AWS skills. This indicates that AWS skills are in high demand at present, and will continue its demand, even in the future. Moreover, post-COVID, the need for the enterprises for shifting to the cloud has increased. Many companies have shifted to the cloud, and AWS is the most popular among those cloud tools. So, there is a huge demand for professionals skilled in AWS. If you are an individual interested in enhancing your skills in AWS, then watch this video. In this video, we will understand what is Amazon Web Services. But before we proceed, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, what is Amazon Web Services? Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing platform that comprises a number of cloud computing products and services related to computing, storage, database, networking, security, developer tools, management, etc. In 1994, Amazon was started initially as an online selling and buying platform for books, and expanded its services to the fields like electronics, video games, softwares, furniture, toys, jewelry, etc. Then in 2002, Amazon launched its cloud platform, but limited to a set of tools. In 2004, the services were expanded for public use. But now, it has become the biggest and most profitable cloud platform with hundreds of different products and services. In the previous slide, you have seen that AWS offers a number of services for cloud applications. Let us have an overview of those web services. Compute services. With these services, the developers can build, deploy, and scale the application in the cloud platform. Some of the compute services offered by AWS are EC2, ECS, EKS, Fargate, Lambda, Elastic Beanstalk, etc. Storage services. AWS provides web data storage service for archiving data. One of its main advantages is disaster data recovery with high durability. Some of the storage services offered by AWS are S3, EFS, Glacier, Storage Gateway, DRS, EBS, etc. Database services. It provides a cost-efficient, highly secure, and scalable database instance in the cloud. Some of the database services offered by AWS are RDS, DynamoDB, Elasticache, Redshift, DocumentDB, TimeStream, etc. Networking and delivery of content services. It provides a highly secure cloud platform and connects our physical network to our private VN with a high transfer speed. Some of the networking and content delivery services offered by AWS are VPC, Route 53, Direct Connect, API Gateway, Shield, WAF, etc. Security, identity, and compliance services. It helps us keep an eye on a safe environment for our AWS resources by offering limited access to particular users. Some of the security, identity, and compliance services offered by AWS are Certificate Manager, Directory Service, WAF, Cloud HSM, KMS, IAM, etc. Developer tools. It helps a user build, deploy, and execute the application source code automatically. Some of the developer tools offered by AWS are CodeStar, Code Commit, Code Build, Code Deploy, Code Pipeline, X-Ray, etc. Management and governance services. With the help of these services, we can optimize costs, minimize risks, and automate the resources running efficiently on the AWS infrastructure. Some of the management and governance services offered by AWS are CloudWatch, CloudFormation, CloudTrail, OpsWorks, Service Catalog, Trusted Advisor, etc. Now, we are all now familiar with the services that are offered by AWS. Now, let's talk about the tech giants that are using AWS. AWS is used by LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Adobe, Turner Broadcasting, Netflix, Baidu, Dropbox, Moving forward, what are the benefits offered by AWS? AWS offers a number of benefits to its users. Some of them are easy to use. You can quickly and securely host your applications. Flexible. You can select the operating system, programming language, web application platform, database, and other services you need. Cost effective. You will pay only for the services you use like compute power, storage, and other resources. Reliable. It encompasses the ability of a workload to perform its intended function correctly and consistently. Scalable and high performance. You can scale your application up or down based on demand. Secure. AWS uses an end-to-end approach to secure and harden our infrastructure. And, in India, salary for a skilled AWS professional ranges from 3.8 lakh rupees to 12 lakh rupees per annum. AWS skills not only looks good on your resume, it will help you to obtain your dream job with good pay. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your dear ones. Do not forget to subscribe to our HKR Trainings YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon and never miss the updates on our next videos. For trending blogs and latest updates on trending technologies, follow us on our social media platforms. Interested in learning AWS? Visit www.hkrtrainings.com.